I'm sitting there yesterday on your couch, and you mentioned something about pronunciation of names. So I asked you what was really just a very innocent question. I said, Dr. Blizzard, you've got a PhD in Hebrew studies. You've been studying these things for decades. You've got stacks of books. In your understanding, what is the pronunciation of the name of the God of Israel in the Hebrew Bible?
Well, it's not my pronunciation, it's what the biblical text says.
Yes, and what does it say?
It says, God says, when Moses asked him, what shall I tell the people when I go back down there to Egypt, who it was that sent me? And he says, Ehyeh asher ehyeh. Then he goes on to explain that it's Yehovah.
Would you read us those verses from the Hebrew Tanakh?
Yehovah.
Do we have this Tanakh? It's right over there.
Right here.
Oh, you got it. Okay.
In
Yeah, that has Exodus.
In Exodus.
And I had no idea what he was going to say. I just asked an innocent question, and here it is.
Well, it just...
I mean, honestly, I came here thinking I'm going to learn about the Hebrew background of Yeshua of Nazareth, and here is this wonderful piece of wisdom that he shares.
It's been here all the time.
It's right here in front of us.
In the book of Exodus,
Yes, sir.
chapter 3, and Moses is asking God a very innocent question. Moses says to God,
Wait, I want to stop you here. His finger is moving along the Hebrew text, and he's translating in English as he goes.
he said, whenever I get back down there, who am I going to say sent me? And Vayomer Elohim, and God said to Moses, Ehyeh asher ehyeh.
And how do you understand that phrase?
Means I am who I says I am, and it's really not any of your business.
Okay.
I am who I will be. I will be who I will be.
Amen.
And
Ehyeh asher ehyeh.
yeah, Ehyeh asher ehyeh, Kol tomar livnei Yisrael, Ehyeh shalachni alechem. And he says again, again, I'm going to say to you, say to the people of Israel, B'nai Yisrael.
Yes.
And if I'm reading correctly, this says Yehovah.
That's what it says right there. Now, you've definitely heard people say it's Yahweh
Oh,
and Yahuwah.
Yehoshua and Yahuwah, and just about.
So you've heard those before?
Oh yes, I
Okay.
hear it every day because it's all on Facebook or it's someplace else on the internet, and coming forth from people that are supposedly well-meaning, good folk, except they've got one major fault.
Oh, what's that?
They don't know Hebrew.
And there it is, people. Thank you from Joplin, Missouri. You heard it here, right here from Dr. Roy Blizzard, PhD, the author of the groundbreaking work, Understanding the Difficult Words of Jesus. Shalom.